morning, grade 2, and welcome back to our art online class. Today's activity is called color folding printing activity. Okay, so please prepare your A4 paper, your watercolor, your brush, as well as some water, a thread, your ruler, and a piece of scissors. Now let's get started. Okay, so you can measure at least 12 inches long thread. You can cut it into 5 strands or more. Just like so. You can ask mommy or daddy to help you out with this process. Okay. All right, so right after this, okay, you need to prepare your A4 paper. All right, so just take your A4 paper, fold it down and make a crease just like so. Fold it down in the middle by folding it in half, just like so. All right, set aside that paper and open your watercolor. So you can choose any color you like in this activity. Okay, so you can use at least 3 color combination in this artwork activity. For instance, I'm using red. Okay, just place the thread into the watercolor. Press it down like so. And take enough color. Just add water little by little to get the desired color you wish. Okay, open your sheet of paper. Place the thread on one side of the crease. You can put in any position you like. Fold the paper, press it down, and pull down the thread, just like so. And there you have it for our first image. Okay, so you can dry it down just a little bit and then proceed to the next color combination. So for instance, we have green, so the same process, press the thread into the watercolor, take enough color from it, and place the thread onto the one side of the crease. Fold it down and pull up the thread. And here we go for the second image. Okay, and for the last color, you can have purple here or any color you like. All right, you can ask mommy and daddy to help you out with this process. Okay, Just take enough color and then place the thread onto the base part of the one side of your crease. Press it down and then pull out the thread just like so. And here we go for the third image. And here's our final color folding printing activity. Okay, so you may compare your work with your friends out there. All right, and please take a photo of your work and send it online. Okay, so Teacher Gemma has to say goodbye now, and I'll see you back next time. Enjoy!